Hello, what is your name?
My name is Cheryl Martiliano,
How old are you?
34 years old, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
Are
ma'am.
you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
One, ma'am.
How old?
11 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and 7 months, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
1 year, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Paula, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
780 square feet, ma'am.
How many family members there?
3, ma'am.
How many children?
1, ma'am.
How old?
8 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 a.m., ma'am.
And
then,
then?
after that, I prepare the
Mm-hmm.
breakfast. After that, and cleaning the house.
Okay.
Ironing. And after that,
Do you go market?
yes,
Okay. After go to market, you prepare dinner what time?
7 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, so what time you cook?
8 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, so what time they eat?
It depends. The mom is coming.
Okay, so after finish everything in the kitchen, so what time you go to bed?
9 or 10 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.